Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluwatofumi. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for liking my video. Thank you for coming back. You're welcome. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to make your hair into this up to style with just your comb, brush, and extension. So you'll start by using your comb, your white tooth comb, your brush, your extension. I use this particular extension. I used it before for my dreads and I want to use it again. Then your rubber band. Then these are what you need. Start by combing your hair. Comb it to remove the knots and tangles. Then you brush through it to smoothen it. You make sure it's very smooth. Then you pack it up. Then you brush over it to make it smooth. So I made sure it was smooth enough. Then I picked up one of the extensions. Then I used it to tie the hair up. Not too tight, but to be tight, like just a bit. Yeah, there was no tension on my scalp. Yeah, don't mind the way I am looking around. I was looking at the mirror. So I picked up a rubber band to secure the hair in order for it not to loosen while I'm trying to fix the hair. Then I picked up 5 of the extensions. Then I used it to braid my hair up. I divided it into 3 parts. Then I braided it just a bit. Yeah, before I finished it, I picked up more extensions, about 6. I added it to that one, like when you want to make knotless braids, something like that. So I braided it just a tiny little bit. Then I left the hair. So I folded it. Then I begin to wrap it. Yeah, I brought it to the front, folded it, and I begin to wrap the main one around the one I folded. I took it from the front to the back, brought it to the side. I repeated the process. Then I tucked the hair in under the folded hair. And this is the finished look. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it pretty? Okay, so this is the end of this particular video. Thank you for watching and staying with me to this very moment. God bless you, and I'll see you in my next one. So before you go, kindly like this video if you enjoyed it, share, comment, and subscribe. While you're subscribing, kindly turn on the post notifications so that when I post a new one, you get notified. Bye.